Welcome back to Let's Talk Activities, the podcast where we explore everyday experiences. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. Today we're diving into a fun topic, going shopping.
Whether it's for essentials or just for fun, shopping is something everyone does.
So, Emma, what makes shopping interesting for you?
Well, Jack, I love the excitement of finding bargains and discounts. It feels like a treasure hunt. Plus, shopping can be a great way to relax and take a break from daily routines.
I agree. Shopping can be both necessary and leisurely. But before we go further, let's talk about some keywords. To start, what does bargain mean?
A bargain is a good deal, something sold at a lower price than usual, often during the sale.
Like when I find a shirt with a huge discount during a clearance sale.
Exactly. And a discount is a reduction in the price of an item, making it more affordable. Sometimes stores have special offers or promotions to attract shoppers.
Speaking of promotions, have you ever used a coupon?
Yes, a coupon is a voucher that gives you a discount or reward when purchasing. It's a helpful way to save money.
Now, Emma, when you go shopping, do you prefer in-store shopping or online shopping?
I like both, but I think online shopping is more convenient for daily items or when I want to compare prices. However, in-store shopping is better for trying things on or seeing products in person.
That's true. For clothing, I prefer trying items in the store to check the fit and fabric. Speaking of fit, the word size is important. Do you remember to check the size guide when shopping online?
Absolutely. Many websites have a size chart to help determine the right fit. I also always look at the return policy in case something doesn't fit.
Good point. Now, let's talk about the shopping process. When you're ready to buy, you head to the checkout. That's where you pay and get a receipt. Do you keep your receipts?
Yes, I keep receipts in case I want to return or exchange an item.
By the way, what's the difference between returning and exchanging?
A return means bringing back a product and getting your money back. An exchange means swapping a purchased item for a different size or color.
Got it. It's always good to know the store's return policies before buying. Now, Emma, do you have any shopping tips for our listeners?
Sure. 1. Always make a list of what you need. 2. Set a budget so you don't overspend. 3. Look for deals, coupons, and price comparisons. And don't forget to be patient and wait for sales. Sometimes waiting a few days can save you more money.
Absolutely. Before we finish, let's quickly review some useful shopping-related vocabulary.
Bargain, a good deal at a lower price.
Discount, a reduction in price.
Sale, a period when items are sold at reduced prices.
Coupon, a voucher for discounts.
Checkout, the place where you pay for your items.
Receipt, proof of purchase.
Return policy, rules for returning or exchanging items.
Size, measurement of clothing or shoes.
Comparison shopping, comparing prices and options before buying.
Great summary. To wrap up, shopping is a versatile activity, necessary for daily life, and fun as a leisure activity, whether online or in store.
Knowing these keywords can help make your shopping smoother.
Thanks for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into shopping.
Next week, we'll talk about planning your vacation. Both. Until then, happy shopping and stay safe. Goodbye.
Bye.